breaking my usual content for this because I have thoughts on alliance. Let's start with खुशाल टर्नर. उसके जितना नार्सिसिस्टिक आदमी मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में आज तक नहीं देखा. Bullying everyone. पहले रवि भाई हो रहा था, अभी सोहेल भाई हो रहा है. Like we get what you're trying to do. Just get annoyed by his face. He just has that face that you know कि शक्ल देख के ही आपको बंदे का गुस्सा आता है. He has literally said that each and every ex-girlfriend of his has called him a narcissistic and he laughed it off, which shows that he has zero self-awareness. Kudos to each and every ex-girlfriend of his who got away because you did yourself a favor. I know I'm being brutal, but I hate that. Even though Dolly has been evicted, but I still want to mention her because my God, I loved her. She stood her ground. She did not let anyone mess with her. जब भी उसको लगता था कोई उसे बकवास कर रहा है, she used to speak up. And honestly, I felt like that she was so much more mature than the man child. She has finally realized that who is the snake in the house and taking a stand for herself and the people around her. Slowly loved when she said कि एक कान से दूसरे कान से निकालो, उसको पता चल गया खुशाल से किस तरीके से डील करना है. She gives chances to everyone, but as soon as she realized कि अच्छा ये बंदा ऑफ है और ये बंदा मुझे डबल क्रॉस करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, she sees that he has a bossy nature और वो कुछ थोड़ा सा सोच समझ के दिमाग से खेलती है. I do not like about Minnie is कि उसको अगर निखिल बोलता है कि अच्छा ये चीज नहीं करनी है, तो her next response is okay. मतलब instead of saying क्यों क्या किस लिए, but I feel like that could also be due to their alliance. Their alliance is the strongest. उन दोनों से they are like this. I do not like Nikhil. वो बस चीजें बोलता है और फिर वो हंस के निकल जाता है या वो हंस के अपनी बात चेंज कर देता है, which is very manipulative. I feel like that he has like a respectable aura around him. वो तमीज से खेलता है, dirty game नहीं खेलता. कभी-कभार वो थोड़ा सा confused हो जाता है चीजों को लेके, जो कि थोड़ा सा weird और off कर देता है उसकी personality को, but overall I really do like. Zaid Darbar, he needs to be separated from Khushal क्योंकि उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है या वो गेम इस तरीके का खेल रहा है. I really don't understand what his deal is. You do not need to converse with him. You do not need to be friends with him. You do not need to be civil with that guy. He's playing a good game. I feel like that she's very sweet and I love her equation with Arsalan. She has mentioned I think in the show as well that she's fond with Arsalan and we can see that on screen whenever she's next to Arsalan, which is very sweet to see. She tries to play very safe. वो कुछ भी बोल के निकल जाती है और अगर कोई सुन लेता है जिसके बारे में वो कुछ बोल रही होती है, then she's like नहीं हाँ मैं तो ऐसे बोल रही थी, मैं तो वैसे बोल रही थी. अरे whatever you are saying, own it up. Riva, I have nothing nice to say about her. I feel like that she's a mild version of Khushal Tandon. She's a total follower. She has zero credibility. Arman needs to speak up more. Honestly, मुझे उसके opinions का इतना नहीं समझ आता. He gets overshadowed very easily. I felt like कि वो बहुत safe play कर रही थी. Felt like कि मैं दब रही हूँ, मेरे opinions दब रहे हैं, but she still chose not to speak up. She came on as very strong contender, but even she was not able to speak up in front of Khushal, which is disappointing. Now let's talk about the new wild cards because we needed someone in the show who could stand in front of Khushal and tell him to shut up. If you have seen his season, Big Boss season, you would know that Ali will not stay quiet in front of Khushal, which is something that I really wanted from any contestant in the house. So Ammi is seeing the show with me, and when she saw that Ali Goni is joining the show, she was like, "अब मजा आएगा ना." So I'm really hoping कि अब मजा आएगा. Really like Seema in Bollywood Wives. मैंने आज का एपिसोड देखा नहीं अभी तक, बट कल के एपिसोड में जो भी हुआ I really liked her. I really love her humor. सोहेल खान के बारे में क्या ही बोलूं कि I really don't know what his opinions are. He's just there. Agu is there in the house. Like I see his presence. He's just like कि जो कोई बोल रहा है वो थोड़ा सा उस तरफ ही incline हो जाता है. Last but not the least, we have Riddhi. Very annoying. She is gossiping 24/7, and I don't have any problem with the gossip. But if you're gossiping 24/7, at least have the guts to own up what you're saying. Right now, I just feel like that she's scared and she's just there. My top 5s are the Goni brothers, Ali and Arsalan. Then we have Ruhi, Minnie, and Daisy. These are my top 5s. Let me know who are yours, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.